Oh, game na. Game na. Hi everybody, this is Sophia Ors and Julia Ors. I'm gonna sing and Julia will action. This is Let It Go by Providence Sounds. Let's start it. Repeat it. Snow glows white on a mountain tonight. Like a quick swing to the kingdom of isolation. And it looks like I'm the king. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside. Soon as you begin, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in the open keep the good where you always have to be. Until you don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Gonna away from that door. I don't know what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bother me anymore. It's funny how some deep sounds make everything seem small. And that feels how I'm controlling. The big on. Time to feel what I can see. That feeling is embracing. No life, no wrong, no for me. I'm free. Let it go. Go. I don't want to leave the sky. Let it go. Let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm on. The power flows through the air, to the ground. My soul is following, cause I'm just all around. And want to starlight like I'm asking if you can. I never know the stop is in the past. Let it go, let it go. I'd rather leave you alone. Let it go, let it go. The perfect world gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. God never got any Thanks everybody. Thanks everybody. I thought you liked it. Francis, do you want to be the Nala? Julia will be Elsa, okay? And she will say, hang in there, Joan. I am the Joan. I will sing that. I am the Anna. Julia will say, go away, Anna. Julia will say, but I am the next. Ah. So, bye. Like it, I like it. You like it, I love it. You like it, I like it.